Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I have different activities using cotton buds. This is a fun way to incorporate their fine motor skills and their color recognition through art. Tree painting using cotton buds.
No.
Draw a tree outline on a piece of paper. Then grab a bunch of cotton buds and wrap a rubber band around them. Your child will then dip the buds in color paint of their choosing. Using a dotting motion, they will then decorate their tree. Cotton buds painting. This is a great activity for outdoors. For this activity, all you will need are cotton buds and water. Get your child to dab the cotton bud in the water and then they are ready to start painting. Color mixing. Get a clear plastic pocket or Ziploc bag, put different colors of paint and seal the plastic pocket. Your child will then move the paint using their finger or cotton buds. Tracing. Write some letters on numbers or draw some shapes on a piece of paper. Then with the cotton bud, dip it in paint and start tracing letters, number or the shapes.